I'm going to show you how to remove the glove box on the Chevy Suburban. First thing you're going to do is open it up, and then you're going to clean the contents out. Now that we've cleaned the contents out, what you're going to do is you're going to come to the right side here, and you're going to see this up and down tab here. You're just actually going to put your thumb on the right side of it, push to the left, and then that will drop down. If we want to remove this fully, you're going to see that there are some Allen screws in here. We'll simply just unscrew those and then detach this. To reinstall, we'll screw those back in. We'll slide this up, push this to the left and slide it in. It's back in place, and then we can close it up. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.